Hey guys, welcome to our first look at the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Today, I'll be breaking down the key features and my first impressions of this highly anticipated release. Let's kick things off with the design. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus maintain a familiar shape, but come with some noteworthy changes. The screens are slightly larger this year, with the S24 featuring a 6.2-inch display and the S24 Plus going up to 6.7 inches. The frames have transitioned from a rounded aluminum design to a flat matte finish, reminiscent of the iPhone 15. Despite the size increase, reduced bezels ensure a comfortable grip. Moving on to software. All three models ship with One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. Notable changes include a revamped quick settings panel, allowing for easier access to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and brightness controls. The UI feels tighter and more polished, promising a seamless user experience. What's more exciting is the commitment from Samsung for 7 years of OS upgrades and security patches, making it into this one big update. So now let's talk about the real star of the show, Galaxy AI. Samsung's big push for the S24 series introduces AI-powered features across various apps. Notable mentions include AI-driven photo editing, generative edit, allowing you to manipulate subjects in your photos. The translation features, especially Live Translate during phone calls, showcase impressive functionality.
So, I need an expert to tell Stuart about the amazing processor.
나한테 그 완벽한 영상 있어.
Oh, I have the perfect video.
Diving into specs. The Galaxy S24 series brings some technical upgrades. The display now offers 2600 nits of peak brightness, and variable refresh rates range from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Battery improvements are evident, with the S24 boasting a 4000 milliamps battery and the S24 Plus with 4900 milliamps battery. However, charging speeds remain the same, which might disappoint some users. Camera and additional features. The camera setup remains identical to the previous model, with a 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel ultrawide, and a 12 megapixel selfie camera. Samsung introduces a new color tuning solution for more accurate image tones, promising an enhanced photography experience. Pricing and availability. Now let's talk numbers. The base model of the Galaxy S24 starts at $800, while the S24 Plus with 256GB of storage is priced at $1,000. The Ultra model starts at $1,300. Pre-orders are now open, and regular sales kick off on January 31st. In conclusion, my first impressions of the Galaxy S24 are mostly positive. The design overhaul, improved battery life, and powerful AI features make it an exciting addition to the smartphone landscape. However, if you're already rocking a Galaxy S23, the incremental changes might not be enough to justify an upgrade. Stay tuned for our in-depth review as we get our hands on the entire Galaxy S24 series soon. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates.